Welcome to MyDraw. Today let's learn about exporting to a raster image. You may need to export drawings from MyDraw into another format. This can be used for inclusion in PowerPoint presentations, a web page, or many other purposes. MyDraw supports the export of a drawing to popular raster image formats, including bitmap, PNG, and JPEGs. To export a drawing to a raster image, go to File, select Export, select Raster Image. A new dialog will open. In this dialog, you can specify some custom settings for this new image. The Full Bounds button. Select it when you want to export the whole drawing. The Load Selection Bounds button. With this option, you can export the selected item in your drawing. Custom Bounds. Use this option when you want to export part of a drawing. Note that part of the active page that is going to be exported will be highlighted, so that you can easily see what's going to be exported and what's not. In the X and Y fields, you can specify which part of the drawing you want to export. In Width and Height, you can edit the width and height of the highlighted part. Resolution in dots per inch specifies the resolution of the exported image. When you are ready, click the Save Image button to save the image to a file, or use the Copy to Clipboard button to copy it to the system's clipboard, so that you can paste it easily in other programs for further processing.